works pretty good. We'll see, I guess. Off to Ballard we go. What do you think, Jack? Is this cool? Mm-hmm. Yeah, my new camera. I guess we'll find out here in a minute. Here we are. Yeah. Nice and sunny out. It's a little cool. About 55 today right now. But what's that? What, are you trying to get Maya to stick her hand in that hole? Yeah. Maya, the camera's tracking you. Walk.
Oh gosh.
Did you see it?
I don't interact with copyright.
Isn't that cool? Come here, a little closer, Maya. Now, walk over that way. Isn't that neat? Can you see the head swiveling? Are you recording me too?
Mm-hmm. That's actually good.
Sees you, Maya. It is sunny. It's good. Can't hardly see it. Mm-hmm. Hopefully it looks good. We'll see. Can't really tell how good the footage looks because the screen's so small. But I've got my ND filter on there because it's really sunny out today. So it could look like shit for all I know. Jackson Dookie.
My recording.
Did you shit on the trail? I'm not the one who has a history of shit.
Whoever doesn't admit it, they didn't poop on her. I did.
You pooped on it?
Exactly. I knew you did.
No, because I said whoever admitted to do it, it's not them.
That was the silliest looking jump I've ever seen in my life, Jackson.
What?
His gobble and hop.
Ew. Why do you jump like that? That's how you jump
I'm harassed by Karen. I'm being harassed by Karen.
Karen. A homeless woman.
Karen, no
A homeless woman. You know I'm sending this video to Veronica, right? She's going to see every bit of horrible how you are. Speaking of which, you guys could at least say thank you for the breakfast and coffee this morning.
Thank you for the breakfast and coffee.
That's good kids.
You said it like a prick.
We rehearsed that 35 times.
Let me see.
His cute little caterpillar.
Make sure you're getting a good picture.
Got him.
Got it.
Now I'm going to place him back where he belongs.
Jackson, I'm gonna make you go towards you.
They did not jump on my hand. I was trying to pick one up.
Vomit on you
Actually,
as a defense mechanism.
well, it's not gonna work.
It
There.
will. Nasty as shit. It would work on me at least.
More grasshoppers. I swear, a lot of them are jumping at my feet.
What's up, guys? I'm here with my brother. We're getting along for once. It's finally going good.
Yeah.
I think this is gonna last.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. You can end the recording now. I don't want to. We can end that now. Get the fuck back here, Jackson! Get over here!
She's right behind me.
Get over here! You think you can run from what you think? There's no escaping your problems! Okay, cut.
She's right there.
Just lock onto my face. There we go. Whew. Not a bad day, baby. Not a bad day. How's it look? Hopefully it looks pretty good. Let's see. Artistic cool photo.
Okay, this is the longest one. I can record like
Cool artistic
I might
video
look up
part
later.
2. The cool artistic video.
Yeah.
Ow, I almost got splinter. What are you doing, Jack?
I have to say. Wait, let's see what's underneath. Wait.
What are you doing, Jack?
I have to stick. Wait, I'm gonna see what's underneath. Wait, I just got on this ankle. So, K2 consider spiral expected. Yeah, I'm finding the way down.
Pictures or videos or whatever.
Video.
My little mushrooms.
I don't even know what that is. I can't figure it out.
Got the footage.
Footage. Yeah. Chaka bra.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. What are you doing, Jack?
Hey, there's your mushrooms, Mai.
Oh,
Look at all these
wait
mushrooms.
a minute. Holy shit. I don't know what those. I think those are bad.
I don't know, but there are lots of them.
Hold on.
Wild.
Not right now. I think you can eat the white ones, but I'm not sure.
I wouldn't risk it.
I don't know.
Hey, look. Tony Stark sunglasses.
Holy shit, I need them. Jackson, look. Now's your time. You better grab them.
Hey, look at this.
What's that?
Camera mount. Somebody must have forgotten it.
Might grab the glasses.
Really,
I
Mai?
need new glasses. Put them on.
Oh, look at all the turtles. Mai, look at all the turtles.
Oh.
They're everywhere.
Look at my little pet. You see, count how many turtles are over there.
Let's see if I can zoom in.
3.
One in the water.
There's 3. There's not one in the water.
Yeah,
Where?
see that little head?
Oh, wait, yeah.
See that? And there's, I think there's turtles over there too. See that?
Yeah, there's some over there too.
These are dirty.
Huh?
These are dirty.
Well, yeah. I found them on the bench.
No, that was actually up there on the. Hi.
I got that shit on camera.
If I ever find a spider, I will put it on you.
Oh, yeah?
And hopefully a venomous one.
Cool. I said this place is pretty fun. This is the nature center itself. It's got like a bunch of exhibits and stuff like that inside there. If it's open, but it may not be because it's Sunday. I don't think you can. If it's at certain times they're not open. Huh? It's got lights on. Oh, is it? All right, let's go in. Oh, that's cool.
can hold this.
That's a purple.
Yeah, you hold this way.
You gotta go to the bathroom. It's the men's room. Oh.
I'm not going in the men's room.
I know. Bring Manus. Yeah. Good spot.
good. Eat him a mushroom bed.
You want this back?
Yeah.
Do you remember when you were here?
See that switch there? Up above there, turn that, flip that switch.
Oh, okay. Neat. Okay.
I hate those things.
What, the caterpillars?
There's a couple.
Don't so you.
Nice. Giant beaver. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
They might even donate
Huh?
to the frog.
No, I don't.
Yeah, no
Nobody
one.
never gave me my card.
Yeah.
You find out when I
You don't even know if you won first place.
I did.
No one.
You think
I
so?
did everything.
No one wants to donate to the frog. We want to donate to the frog.
Donate to the Lions.
Yeah, donate to the frog.
Mm.
All we need is what you used to do.